I have a problem, and that problem is that I stay in my room too much. For the last 2 weeks, I have been living in my relative house in Tarabasa. Most of my day look like this. I get up early, lying on my bed, I study book, I go to bed again. That's it. You all know that I am extremely passionate about my works, but that passion can also quickly turn into an addiction. Don't get me wrong, I love my work, but the fact that I think about it every single minute of the day slowly starts to stress me out. So I decided to move to my hometown. I am waiting for my bus like 1.5 hours. Finally, my bus was arriving. And I reach my hometown and I get out from my bus and looking for my friends.
After 3 hours, I reached my hometown right now here. So let's go.
It's become clear to me, my life was out of balance. For this reason, over the last 3 weeks, I made 3 big changes in order to restore that balance and get back to actually enjoying my life.
Okay, so now we are going to Bilkat. This is my friend, Song Timu. Yeah. So finally, I meet my friends here, and now we are enjoying. Yeah, let's go. I'm so excited right now. You can make happy yourself. Whatever you want, you can do it yourself. Don't depend on the others and make happy yourself, because no one will happy you. I came with my friend. This is my friend Song Timu. So let's see the waterfall. What I came here, I will show you.
Balance. What we all need. What most seek and some argues again. Not just work-life balance. I mean being and doing balance. Balance between making it happen and letting it happen. Some argues you must work hard and take action to achieve anything in life. And they are right, in a way. Action is needed and hard work doesn't have its place if you wish to success in your accomplishment things in this world. However, the sacrifice will never be your life. Your life quality, your present, your happiness. If you are overthinking, then lead to be anxiety and stress, what usually lead to poor decisions making. Quality work is achieved when you are present. When you love what you do, you can still work hard, but the work hard should come from a state of wanting to do the work.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, like I told you. So finally, I reached here right now in the place of Cup, and you can see the backside. And here is so peaceful place. It's adventure. New adventure here also. I thought that here will not adventure, but reach to the top. I'm happy with adventure. Oh. I didn't expect that this will happen in my life. I'm so happy. See, here is near. My camera was out of balance. If you are staying at home alone, then don't stress out yourself. Make happy yourself and try to enjoy yourself. The peacefulness here is so much. This is my friends and I'm connected with nature right now here. I'm so enjoying and my life was full of happiness. To have fun with my friends, and that's called friends. So you need to be happy with your friends. Don't stay in your room too much, because stay in too much room, that will be not good for health, or not health for anything. Also you're not good in your staying in your room, because last time I'm also so addicted in my YouTube, so that I'm focused on one, so I'm addicted, and that my life was out of balance, because I'm staying in my room too much and I'm not going outside any once. So you need to follow yourself, make success in your dreams. My life was full of balance right now here. And peace out, take care, bye bye.